What's your name again?
Brandon Stanford.
All right, Ms. Maher, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, want to come up, Brandon? Stanford?
Sure.
Stand right up at the podium. So this is in the matter of Cassie Maher versus Brandon Stamper, file number 2017-44718DM. Sir, you do not. Do you have court-appointed counsel or did you have an intern?
No,
Okay.
so I guess.
Okay, so this is a show cause. The last payment we show received was $200 on October 9th. Looks like we haven't received any payments since October. And let's see. So do you have anything to pay today?
I don't. I had a mishap over the weekend and I had to buy 4 new tires for my car. I got the receipt.
I don't really care about tires on your car.
Well, no, I was gonna come in and pay $1,000 today. Saturday morning, woke up, all 4 tires were cut on my car. So it was either buy new tires and not make it today, or.
Well, you could have zoomed.
No, I said I had to be here.
Oh, okay. So when are you working?
Yes,
Where you
I can
working?
make it, same place, with exchange.
And is it cash or income withholding?
No, it's all income withholding.
Do they take the money out of your paycheck?
They're supposed to,
Okay. Do you look at your paycheck?
not really.
Okay, sir, now, do you understand the maximum penalty for failure to pay child support can be up to 90 days in jail?
Yep,
All right, now you do have a right to have an attorney represent you at this and all subsequent hearings. Would you like an attorney appointed to represent you?
no,
No? All right, so can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Do you understand that it's a crime to fail to pay, you put your hand down. Do you understand that it's a crime to fail to pay child support to the very best of your ability up to the amount ordered?
yes,
Okay. Do you understand that if you plead guilty to this offense, this is a second offense, isn't it? Yes, it is. I was talking to front of the court, so it is a second offense. So you could be facing up to 90 days in jail. Do you understand that?
I do,
All right, you're entitled to have a trial and you cannot be convicted unless the evidence at your trial proves that you are guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand that?
Yep.
Okay. If you want an attorney and you can't, you're entitled to have an attorney represent you here today in all subsequent proceedings. Do you understand that?
yes,
If you want an attorney and you do not have the money to pay for one, once again, if you tell me, I will put you on a public expense.
I can't afford an attorney.
Okay, well, publicly appointed ones don't cost you any money.
Oh, no, I'm okay,
Okay, now, do you understand that you're entitled to have a trial?
yes,
Do you understand that you're entitled to have all the witnesses against you appear at your trial and you would have the right to question those witnesses while they're under oath?
sure,
Okay, you're entitled to have me order any witnesses you might have to appear at your trial on your behalf. Do you understand that? You do not have to say anything at your trial, and if you do not testify or say anything, nothing will be held against you, and in fact, no one will even mention your silence. Do you understand that?
yes,
On the other hand, do you understand that you are entitled to testify at your trial if you want to testify?
yes,
How do you plead to the charge that you have failed to pay child support to the very best of your ability up to the amount ordered?
I guess guilty.
Okay, so Mr. Stamper, you're ordered to pay on an arrearage only, is that correct?
I believe so.
Okay, and you have a balance of $4,247. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And let's see, we've adjourned this out several times. Your child's graduated. And you understand you still owe the balance.
Yes, yeah,
Okay,
absolutely.
so where are you employed at?
The oil exchange in Dearborn, Michigan.
Okay, the Marathon place?
No, it's a oil change shop,
Okay, so what's the name of the company?
the oil exchange.
Okay, and they take taxes out of your paycheck?
Yeah, as far as I'm concerned, yeah, there was.
Well, you either know this or you don't. So
Yes.
I've worked a lot of jobs in my life. I work cash
Yes,
under the
yes.
table. I work where they take the taxes out. Sue, can you mute yourself? Thank you. So you should know that.
Yes,
So
they
do they
taxes
take
out.
taxes out of your paycheck?
Yes,
Okay, do they take money out of your paycheck for child support?
as far as I'm aware, they were supposed to. That was the last
Okay.
conversation we had.
When's the last time you looked at your paycheck?
A couple weeks ago.
So when you looked at it, did they take child support out?
Yeah, it said withholding 105.
Okay. Do you have a paycheck?
I don't.
Do you have access to your paycheck on your phone?
No,
How do you not?
because it's just paper pay stuff, that's it.
Okay, is it in your car?
It's not.
Okay, can you call your employer right now and get them to fax or
My
email a copy
employer
of it?
is in Henry Ford Hospital.
Okay, there's only one person that works there who does the books.
Yes, his name is Todd.
Okay, so it's you and Todd, nobody else works there.
No, it's me and two other employees.
Where do you live?
I live in Milan.
Okay, and who does the books there?
Where?
At the oil exchange?
His name's Todd.
Okay, so he does everything.
Yes, he's the owner, operator, all of it, yes.
Okay, so I want you to go get me a copy of your paycheck
Okay.
and
I
be
can
back
do it
here in
tomorrow.
2 hours.
We'll have to drive all the way to Dearborn.
I thought you said you have them at home.
No, it's in Dearborn.
I thought you said where's the paychecks you get, the paper ones?
My pay stub is in Dearborn, Michigan.
Where do you live, in Milan?
Yes,
So when you get a pay stub, you leave it at work?
yeah, I just throw them away. I don't need them.
Okay, then I'll give you, be here by 11.
Okay,
All right,
all right.
see you back at 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. What's your name?
Liba?
Let me find you.
Judge, I have a question.
Yes, Miss Maher,
Did you want me back at 11 as well?
if you want, you can.
Okay, I didn't know if I was supposed to or not with you requesting him back, so I just
No,
wanted to
you-
double check.
Technically, don't even need to show up for these if you don't want to, but like, you're always welcome.
All right, yeah, I just, I've messaged our caseworker and I've talked to Sue, through messages and stuff like that, and,
Okay,
I just,
we're off. All right, so he's left, so I don't want to go into it too much. So yeah, you can come back at 11 or you can choose not to.
all righty, thank you very much.
Thank you. Can you step
Bye-bye.
up to the podium? California, right? Okay. Let me see if I have Rosa here. All right, so I have a couple people with no name. Hi, I have someone who called in on a telephone. Can I ask your name, please?
Sharon Mosier.
Okay, so I am going to change your screen name.
Hello.
And then I'm going to put you in the waiting room. And then when I call your case, I'll bring you back in, Miss Mosier, all right?
Okay, I'll be on
All right.
waiting.
Okay, thank you. All right, I have someone on a Samsung device with a teal background. What's your name?
Andrea Hawken.
Okay, so let me change your screen name. So I don't see anybody here, Mr. Rena. So Ms. Hawkins, I'm going to put you in the waiting room and I'll bring you back in just a moment. So Rosa Mora. Let's see here. Okay. All right, Miss Pelham or Miss Stevenson, this is, there you go. In the Rosa Mora versus Felipe Reina. And let me look again.
Your Honor, I dismissed him because we have payments coming in.
So it's been dismissed, so you don't have to come back again, all right?
Okay.
Thank you. And that was in the matter of Rosa Mora versus Felipe Reina, file number 2017-44314DS. Mr. Lewis, can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
Okay, good. This is in the matter of Catherine Rink versus Michael Lewis II, file number 2009-34541 DP. This is a date and time scheduled for a show cause. Mr. Lewis, we received a payment of $932.53 back on September 5 of 2003 or 23, but we have not received any payments since. Are you working?
Yeah, the 15th. You said every 2 months. Throw it at 380. So it's every 15th, every 2 months scheduled.
Okay, so you didn't make a November payment though.
Well, September got 900, so I thought December 5th. Last time we spoke, I believe we said December 15th was the day was gonna pay 380. So it's scheduled for December 15th. I'm self-employed.
Okay, all right. So are you going to pay that online?
Yes, ma'am. I have a whole email and account set up there. Expert pay.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to, I do remember that conversation. So I am going to put this out to January 1, all right?
January 1?
No, not January 1, because we probably won't be here that day. How about January 8th?
Okay.
So, Mr. Lewis, you do have an arrearage, and so if you're paying, you paid in September, and you paid how much in September was $932.53. So what are you gonna pay in December or next week?
380. Last time we were on, we discussed, I believe the payment is $150 a month, but we agreed to pay $30 extra for the arrearages, so that would make $180. So if we're doing
That's for
every 2 months,
2 months, right?
yeah, 360. I'm sorry. Yep.
Okay, so, all right, and you paid $932. Okay, so you're gonna pay $380 every 2 months.
360.
Or $360. Is that what it was? I know this is Jeff Anderson. So, all right. So you'll pay the $360
every 2 months. Every 2 months on the 15th.
Okay. All right. And December 15th will be your next payment.
Yep, that's this Friday.
Okay. All right. So we'll see you back on January 8th. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Lewis.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, I have a lady in a cream sweater, fleece coat. What is your name?
Jessica McGowan.
was your name on? Let's see, do I have a Jessica?
She's at 8:30, Judge.
At
She's
what?
at 8:30. She's the first one.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna change your screen name. No, it's okay, you're a little bit early, which is good. So I'm going to change your screen name, and then I will pop you in the waiting room. And then when I get ready to call those cases, I'll bring you back in, okay? So, friend of the court, in the matter of Andrea Hawken versus Eric Zay, file number 2014-40451DS. I do not have paperwork on that file. I don't
Yes,
think.
Your Honor,
No,
that is adjourned out to January 8th.
Oh, so
Right.
sorry.
Oh, don't be sorry. It's not you. It's okay. So we'll see you back January 8th at 8 a.m. All right.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. I have somebody on an iPhone. I can see the top of their head in a doorway. There we go. Sir, what is your name?
Brandon Blevins.
All right. So Mr. Blevins, I'm going to change your screen name. And then when I get ready to call, I'm going to put you in the waiting room. And when I get ready to call your case, I will bring you back in. Okay.
Alrighty.
Thank you. So I think I didn't get the list of adjournments because I don't show anything adjourned for today. So in the matter of Mackenzie Anderson versus Nicholas Wagatha, file number 2013-39610DS. I don't think I have any paperwork on that one. I don't have paperwork on it. I didn't get a list from front of the court showing what was adjourned and what was dismissed.
Okay, yeah, that was adjourned until January 8th, please.
Okay, and let's see, I have Vicky Bostader versus Benjamin Hill, file number 23-50568UN. I don't have paperwork on that one.
You don't?
Let me see, maybe I do. Yes, I do.
Hopefully
Okay.
you do.
I do. All right. Mr. Hill was ordered to appear. He is not in my waiting room, so he has failed to do so. This is arrearages only in the amount of $31,940.97. He has failed to appear, so I will issue a bench warrant. And I will set bond in the amount of $7,500 cash. In the matter of Nicole Davenport, I got Christopher Davenport. All right. All right, in the matter of Nicole Davenport versus Christian Davenport, file number 2019-46565DM. Mr. Davenport, we are here on a friend of the court show cause, adjourned from November 20th of 23. Shows here you are ordered to pay $411 a month in child support. As of today's date, you have an arrearage of $5,212.50. And the last payment we received was $110 on November 21 of 2023. We had ordered that you notify a friend of the court if you obtain payment or employment and make payments until income withholding takes place. We have not heard from you. So Mr. Davenport, were you able to obtain employment?
They're supposed to be calling. I'm hoping today or tomorrow. If not, I'm gonna call them. I do plan on going and put. But I did make a payment early this morning of 102. I have the receipt in my hand, and I plan on make a $430 payment within an hour or so because I gotta go pick the money up.
Okay, so Mr. Davenport, I'm going to adjourn this to next Monday, December 18th.
As I say, would you like me to report, call back, and when I make the payment here later?
No, Mr. Davenport, you live where? You live in Jerome. This is going to be in person, so you need to be present in person. Mr. Davenport, you better bring verification of employment from an employer saying that you are employed, and otherwise you understand you're almost at the felony level and you could be charged with a 4-year felony by the state of Michigan. So you have a week to prove verification of employment and make a payment. I've adjourned this out for about a year, and there's no reason you don't have a job.
I can't go.
So I will see you next Monday morning at 8 a.m. and that'll be in person. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you next Monday at 8 a.m. Thank you. Okay, let's see. I swear I thought I saw Mr. Sancho logged in, but maybe I didn't. I just saw his paperwork. In the matter of Beth Ann Engelhardt versus Steven Sancho, file number 2013-39096UE. This is a date and time set for a show cause. Let's see. Mr. Sancho was ordered to appear. He's failed to do so. He's ordered to pay $200 a month. He has arrearage $20,449. He has 5 prior contempts. So I will issue a bench warrant for failure to appear. Set bond in the amount of $5,000 cash. Now, here's some property. All right, Ms. Mosier, I brought you back in and I'm going to try to connect Ms. Buer.
Okay.
So send Ms. Buer connection information on our audio. All right, this is in the matter of Sharon Mosier versus Jody Buer, file number 2012-37532UN. Both parties are present via Zoom. This is a case registered in Michigan at the request of Ohio. We were last here on November 6th of 2023. At that time, I ordered Ms. Beer to submit payment in the amount of $108.33 for the months of October and November each, and December payment to be made by December 11. And we have received no payments since before the payment of November 6th of 23. Ms. Buer, do you understand the maximum penalty for not paying this could be up to 90 days in jail?
Yes, I made a payment on Friday
Where did
to
you
the
make the payment?
office.
In
Right in
person?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Your
what was
Honor.
your payment?
$300.
Ms. Stevenson, is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
So Ms. Stevenson, would you like this adjourned out to when?
Could we do end of January, maybe?
Okay, I don't, how about January, Ms. Adams, am I available January 29? Ms. Adams can't hear me because I'm sure.
I'm sorry, I lost you.
No, it's okay. I just realized Miss Adams can't hear me because she doesn't have a computer. All right, so Miss Buer, we will see you back here on January 29th at 8 a.m., okay?
January 29th?
29, 29. All right, January 29th. All right, Miss Mosier, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. In the matter of Kelsey Lanning versus Timothy Sorensen. Spears having connection issues. I do not show any paperwork on him, so that must have been adjourned. Michael. I'm so sorry. Oh, I found the paperwork. I misplaced it. I'm sorry for the adjournments. All right, so how about I just go with the paperwork I have? So, should have been one of that. That one. In the matter of Dorinda Williams versus Timothy Williams, file number 1990-12245 DM. This is the date and time set for a show cause. Mr. Williams was ordered to pay $200 a month towards his arrearage since 2017. Pays when he wants. We have an arrearage only of $14,281.56. So I am going to order a bench warrant issued for failure to appear, and I will set bond in the amount of $3,500 cash. For Reyes. Good morning, Mr. Reyes.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hold on, let me find you. I think it got adjourned. So in the matter of Nicole Reyes versus Christopher Reyes, 2015-41906 DM. Let me find you here. Looks like this was adjourned to January 8th at 8 a.m. Okay.
Okay, all righty.
All right. Have a good holiday.
Thank you, you as well. Take care.
Thank you. You too. Let's see if this person is. sent connection information to Sam Ramos. So in the matter of Leah Meadows versus Brandon Meadows, file number 2020-47916DS. This is the date and time set for a show cause in this matter. Mr. Meadows is ordered to pay $1,108 a month in child support as of today's date. We have an arrearage in excess of $8,804.73, with the last payment of $228.58 on June 12th of 2023. Mr. Meadows has failed to appear. May issue a bench warrant for his arrest and will set bond in the amount of $4,500. I have someone named CM Ramos, their screen name. Could I ask your name, please?
Hi, sorry, my name is Christina.
Ramos?
Yes.
Okay, let me find you. So, Miss Ramos, what are you here for?
So I had my mail sent to my parents' house for contempt of court, because I was sent a questionnaire that I was unaware of.
Oh, your questionnaire. Got it. Okay.
Yes.
So that's my next hearing. So, Miss Ramos, I'm going to pop you in the waiting room and I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. In the matter of Marqueta Martinez versus Abel Mendoza, file number 1998-20548 DP. This is the date time set for a show cause. Mr. Mendoza is ordered to pay $183.91 a month in child support. He's failed to do so. We have an arrearage of $8,450.24. Mr. Mendoza has failed to appear, so I'm going to issue a bench warrant, a set bond in the amount of $2,500 cash. Mendoza. Michael Elkins, it's my last one. In the matter of Michelle Large versus Michael Elkins, file number 16-43498UN. This is the date and time set for a show cause. This is arrearages only. And he is ordered to pay on arrearages of $20,918.27. His last bond was $500 to be released from jail upon payment. He's ordered to pay $200 a month on or before the 15th of each month. So I will issue a bench warrant for his arrest and I will set bond in the amount of $5,000 cash. Right, I do believe that is it. All right, so hopefully Mr. Sample will be back at 11 o'clock.
We'll see. Thanks.